Custom Impala to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Great year, 1959 Chevrolet Impala 4-door flat top. As you can see, patinaed. So this is an original ermine white car. Exterior, still very original with the exception they took a satin clear and put over the patina, and it definitely has a cool look to it underneath the hood. Also custom LS swapped engines for the 4L60E automatic with overdrive transmission. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath there first. Let's take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. So again, a lot of the chrome, the bright work has been left. You may have an imperfection, a dinger here or there. And that's going along with the look of this car. This is not a wrap. This is actual paint underneath the satin clear. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. 20-inch smoothies with these beauty rings, and of course the Chevrolet center cap. So it kind of still has that old school look, but it's riding in 20s. The tires are newer, 2023. Date codes on those, so rubber's good on it. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and again, you can see imperfections. You can see where the patina was. Dents here or there, but what a cool look. Bright work up and down the belt line of the car. Looks good. Once upon a time, looks like something may have been spilled. Interior has been refreshed a little bit. It has newer carpeting in it. Seats have been reupholstered, and this was originally a red with white interior car too. 873 on the trim code, 936 on the paint code. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. LED taillights have been added, of course, the 59 cat eye taillights. All right, some of the things noted in service on this one. The brakes are like new, front and rear. Front and rear shocks have been replaced. Right outer tie rod end is new. Steering gear and pitman arm have been replaced. So some service work recently done to this. If you like these 59 and 60 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. If you just like custom cars, you're into cars in general, go ahead and subscribe. Here's a prime example. You never know when something like this might come rolling in. Little LS power, old school look, and then best of all, that 4-door hardtop or flat top. So of course no pillar between the front and rear windows. You can see interior has a nice look to it with the cloth and vinyl combination. Tilt column, and then some dolphin gauges have been added to that dash. A closer look at those I can show you. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Electric fuel pump, pressurizes, and crank her over because we're fuel injected in this baby. Oil pressure came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Volts and fuel gauge. It does not appear that the odometer may not be hooked up. It just shows GPS, and I haven't found the switch to click anything on there. All right, top of the dash, looking good. How about the headliner? Thing's got a little rumble to it too. It's a dual exhaust and side exit exhaust. notice these rear bumpers just left the way they were. Bottom pan. It's going along with the look of this car, no doubt about that. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood so I can show you this engine bay. It's pretty cool. If you're looking for one like not everybody's going to have, here you go. Stick around to the very end too. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a peek at this engine bay. Underside of the hood, looking pretty good there. An engine bay, actually put pretty clean and tidy, nice install. Now, you will notice we've got a little custom cover for that LS. And baby's running smooth. Then, of course, automatic with overdrive transmission. So you have this geared right. This thing will go down the road nicely also. Rolling around in those 20s. 1959 Chevrolet Impala. 4-door flat top, patinaed with that LS power. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving an amazing 1959 Chevrolet Impala with probably the best version of patina that I've seen. If you're going for that natural patina, this car is amazing. The first time I saw it, I thought it was painted on, but I believe it to be real and then protected so that it lasts. Such a great sound to this car as well. I feel like I could drive it right out of a horror movie. The meanness, in my opinion, the look is so good. We have gauges from Dolphin, high quality gauges. The oil pressure showing 50 psi, water temperature 185, speedometer is working as it should. The fuel gauge is showing a little less than a quarter of a tank, and the volts are over 14. All that on one of the best gauge clusters you can find in any American car. The 59 Impala is a great set of gauges. The style. Speaking of that, the taillights. Wow, 59 Impala taillights. Take a look at the pictures and see what you think. And the fins on top of them. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. The interior, bright red. Really a great contrast against that exterior. The design on the seats, the chrome, it is all so perfect on this car. Drives nice. That late model engine, lots of power, a great sound, very reliable. Corners like a big car should. As I usually say, when they sound this good, it's when you want to play with the throttle just to hear it. Check out all the pictures and you will fall in love with this 59 Impala at UniqueClassicCars.com.